Are you curious about trading but don't know where to start? Whether it's crypto, Forex, or stocks, this video breaks it all down for beginners. Let's make trading simple and clear. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets to make a profit. You buy low, sell high. That's the basic idea. Assets can include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, foreign currencies like the Euro or USD, and company shares like Apple or Tesla, EUR. Let's look at the three most popular types of trading. Crypto trading, buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. It runs 24/7 and is highly volatile. Forex trading, trading global currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, or JPY. It's the largest financial market in the world and operates 5 days a week. Stock trading, buying and selling shares of companies. You become a partial owner of the company and can profit from its growth. Traders aim to predict price movements and profit from them. There are two main styles. Day trading, buying and selling within the same day. Swing trading, holding assets for a few days or weeks. Some also trade long-term, holding for months or even years. Trading can be profitable, but it's also risky. Prices can change fast, especially in crypto and Forex. That's why risk management is key. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders and always have a strategy. If you're just starting out, here's what to do. 1. Choose your market, crypto, Forex, or stocks. 2. Open a trading account with a trusted platform. Three, start with a demo account to practice. 4. Learn technical and fundamental analysis. 5. Begin small and scale up as you gain confidence. Trading isn't gambling, it's a skill. Learn the basics, practice with discipline, and over time, you can master the markets. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications.